Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. 3 plus 3 times 3 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 3 plus 3, then times 3 divided by denominator, which is 3. Now we have one parentheses and one division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have one addition and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition. So first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Okay, so we have 3 plus 9 divided by 3. Now, 3 plus 9 gives us 12. So, 12 divided by 3, which equals 4. So, therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 4.